Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Benidorm Crazy Marcus here. Gonna be trying a new sort of approach to starting the videos. Gonna try to tell a joke and hopefully it makes one of you guys laugh. So, yeah, there it goes, nothing. I was really struggling to get my girlfriend's attention last night, so I sat on the sofa and looked comfortable. That seemed to have did the trick. Yeah, that was a shite joke, wasn't it, guys? But if you got any better jokes, comment them down below. Look, I will try to read a few of yours out. Look. Come on then. So yeah, if you do have any jokes, comment them down below in the comment section, along with your name as well. And if I do read it out, I will give you a shout out. So you do have Plaza de Triangular, just a good place to sit and chill. We're going to, of course, try to cut off onto Avenida Mediterraneo. Go see what's happening down there. First, I will try to get better temperature reading, hopefully, if it'll work. Not going to focus on the camera too good, is it? So when it does come up, I'll just say it, guys. 26 degrees. Not the hottest. You do, of course, have the tin can, as I've recently heard it called. Of course, it's the big advertisement thing here in Benidorm. Got tons of new advertisements on. One for the medieval place, one for Survey Group, one for the Queen's Jubilee as well. Do I think it was worth spending €30 million on? No, I don't, but that's my opinion, guys. Look, I'm not trying to make it out to be a bad thing, I am just sort of saying it does kinda look stupid, don't it? Of course, coming down Avenida Mediterraneo, you've got Rica Disney shop sort of place. Does tons of like Disney stuff, anime stuff, Marvel, Mario, Harry Potter, stuff like that, good shop. And of course, I'll hop just here with the model of Benidorm scooter safe stood outside, keeping it guard. No offence, Mum, love you loads. Just going to take it easy today. Keep positive, keep calm, keep relaxed. Try to stay happy as well. Nice leather shop there, guys. If you are wanting like a leather coat or handbag, that's a place to go. Then of course we do have one of the best toy shops here in Benidorm, Don Dino, with of course the legend himself, Don Dino, on top of the roof. Sometimes it can be quite cheap, sometimes it can be quite expensive. Just seeing what I've got in. Hot Wheels playset there, €33. Not the best price. This shop right here, it's like designer clothes at a budget. Always got nice dresses in like this one here. A flower angel type thing. Yeah, God, that's something you will find when you're in Benidorm. If you're trying to film something or take a picture of something, quite a lot of people will just walk in front of you, not a worry in the world. Can get quite annoying at times, but you'll get used to it. Pharmacy just over the road. Just shoot a quick look down here, guys. So down this side road here is a beautiful little bar and restaurant called Harry's Bar, owned by John and Mark. Brilliant people, guys. They're the kindest people you'll ever meet. Brilliant food in Harry's Bar as well. Pop in, say hello. Tell them Benidorm Crazy Marcus and Benidorm Scooter Sue sent you, and they'll probably know who you're on about. Anyway, I'm gonna end the video here, guys, so hit that like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.